In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to curve fonts here in Canva. Now, the good thing about Canva, it doesn't matter what type of font you're using, you can curve absolutely every single font. That's fonts that Canva has, or even fonts which you upload yourself. So I have these three fonts just here, and let me go and show you how to curve this. What we want to do is simply click onto the text that we want to curve. Then we can come up to the effects button just here. Then we want to scroll all the way down on the left hand side where we see this curve option. Now if we click on there and scroll a little bit more, we're going to get this bar. Now if we slide this bar up, it's going to curve one way, and if we move this bar down, it's going to curve the other way. And again, it's going to work for any type of font which you have, just like this. So if we curve that this way as well, and then let's do the last one just like this. So as you can see, it's really simple to curve fonts here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.